As a Democratic Party, we are concerned about the manner in which the government is handling the Mopane issue. The Mopane issue of the mine being put on care and maintenance is a very serious national issue that requires the government to actually not apply the laissez-faire and not to apply the kangaroo tactics that they are trying to apply in resolving the plight of the employees of Mopane. As the Democratic Party, from where we stand, we want to send a message to the 1,000 employees who are about to lose employment, that as DP, we sorrow together, and we are together, and we do everything possible within our means to make sure that we ameliorate the situation that is happening. But for now, the only thing that we can do and say is to ask government to be serious for once. The kind of laissez-faire and the kind of kangaroo tactics which they are trying to employ will not take us anywhere. We are talking about 14,000 employees losing work here. And we can't have a minister coming out and saying we've allowed the unions to go and demonstrate and pressurize the mines so that they can remove the mine from care and maintenance. No, the mines have indicated that we are going on care and maintenance for the next 3 months. And after 3 months, they are going to review. When they review, what will prevent them to come and say, no, we cannot continue and we don't have money? Our major funders and our major shareholders have said we don't have money. Then millions of people will have lost employment just like that. So no wonder we are saying government should be serious. They need to sit down with Mopane. They need to liaison with Mopane. But we know where the problem is as DP. The problem is this PF government has been dining with Mopane. They have been eating with Mopane. Both cadres, including management, including senior government officials, they have been patronizing Mopane and other mines. So it is difficult to institute discipline if you've been patronizing someone, if you've been patronizing a company. So we are saying government should come out of their cocoon, should be serious, sit down with Mopane, make serious discussions rather than just issuing empty threats that cannot even be respected. It is very embarrassing to see that the Minister of Mines was busy issuing threats without quoting any legal provision which they will be able to use. They just issued empty threats, and Mopane has not hid from them. This shows that even the mining companies have lost confidence in this government. They can't fear them because they know what they have done together. That's why as Democratic Party we are saying we need a serious government that will be able to protect the interest of the people. And that government we are saying is Democratic Party. Because from where we stand, we were taken aback to hear the whole lot of ministers trying to encourage the mine unions and tell them go and demonstrate so that Mopane can change their decision. That is not the way you solve issues. Who does that? Which government does that? That shows failure by the government of President Lungu with his ministers, especially the mines minister. That shows failure on their part. And we don't want to see millions of the people on the copper belt because Kitwe, economy of Kitwe depends on Mopane. Economy of Mfulira depends on Mopane. And the economy of the country at large hinges on these mining giants. The exchange rate today is just a few ngwes shy from hitting the $1 to 20 kwacha, the psychological barrier of 20 kwacha to $1. And if Mopane continues to be on care and maintenance, what is going to happen here? So government should be very serious, and as Democratic Party we are very concerned, and we are saying they should be serious for once and make sure that they come in, sit with the mine, tell them what they need to do, agree with them so that there is a give and take, and so that at the end of the day we prevent the loss of jobs that we are about to witness.